Imagine this, just two plain shipping containers. Nothing special, right? But what if I told you that these same containers could be transformed into a stunning, cozy dream home? Sounds unbelievable. Well, let me show you exactly how it's possible. Welcome to this unique tiny house, built from two shipping containers, a perfect blend of smart design, comfort, and nature. As we step outside, you'll notice the beautiful wooden paneling that gives this home a warm, modern touch. The spacious deck is perfect for relaxing outdoors, whether it's sipping morning coffee or enjoying an evening under the stars. But what really catches the eye is the elegant spiral staircase, adding both style and function. This leads up to the upper container, which holds a special surprise. But we'll get to that soon. Now let's step inside. The living area welcomes you with its bright and airy feel, thanks to the large windows that let in plenty of natural light. Despite its compact size, everything here is designed for maximum comfort and efficiency. Moving into the kitchen, you'll see a sleek and functional space equipped with modern appliances, clever storage, and stylish countertops, perfect for whipping up a quick meal or a gourmet dish. On the ground floor, we have the first bedroom. It's cozy, well-organized, and features smart storage solutions that make the most of the space. The large window not only keeps the room bright, but also offers a refreshing outdoor view. Just beside it, the bathroom is a pleasant surprise. Instead of feeling cramped, it offers a modern design with a full-sized shower, a stylish sink, and all the essentials, proving that tiny living doesn't mean compromising on comfort. Now it's time to head upstairs. The spiral staircase is not just a space saver but also adds an elegant, modern touch to the home. At the top, we step into the master bedroom, a peaceful and private retreat. The best part, it comes with its very own balcony. Imagine waking up every morning to fresh air and a beautiful view, making this space feel even more special. But no dream home is complete without an outdoor escape. The backyard sitting area is the perfect place to unwind, connect with nature, or host a small gathering with friends and family. Whether you're relaxing with a book or enjoying a barbecue, this outdoor space completes the charm of this container home. And there you have it. A simple, empty container transformed into a stylish, functional, and cozy home. Who would have thought that something so basic could turn into something so beautiful? If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more incredible tiny home transformations. See you in the next one.